Hello, Dr. Danger Mousette here, and I've got a new gadget. It's an S59 Doogie rugged phone. Now, for those of you who don't know what a rugged phone is, it's basically a phone that you're supposed to be able to lob around. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but I have bought this for my father because he's a sailor and he's always dropping and losing phones. So this is the most exciting bit of gadgets, opening them up. I don't know what's in the box, hence this video. And let's have a look. Look, I'm excited. It's that anticipation you get when you're opening a new gadget. Oh, look at that. That's nice. So what have we got? It's packaged very much like another popular brand. Rhymes, no, it doesn't rhyme with orange. It's another fruit. So we have, what's in here? Oh, I think that's all the paperwork. And that's probably something to do with software, downloads, QR codes there. Sorry, I've got cuts all over my hand. I've been restoring an old Mercedes. Right then, and now the main man. Wow, okay. So here we have it. This is a rugged phone. It's really nicely packaged. It's blooming solid. I mean, this thing has got rubber. Can you see? All around it. That's probably going to take quite a hammering. I tell you what, this would probably be really good for people who work on building sites and stuff. And what else is in the package? We have a plug. And in here we have a thing. Oh my God. I honestly don't know what it is. Hopefully I can clear that up. And then we have the cables that go with it. Oh, this is quite handy. It's like a lanyard. So you can attach the phone to your belt or necklace or whatever. So it doesn't fall into, dropped it into the water. So let's have another quick look at this phone. It's already started. Start. Connect to network. So the connectivity is looking pretty good already. I mean, I don't think I've actually touched an on button yet. But yeah, it's a chunky piece of kit, that is. Impressed.